Welcome everyone, Deronda here with Foods 101. Today I'm showing you how to make homemade whipped cream with 2 ingredients. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Make sure that you use the heavy whipping cream. This has more butter fat and will make this whipped cream delicious and fabulous. Use a chilled stainless steel bowl. We're adding the heavy whipping cream along with that 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. If you want to use powdered sugar, you may. If you want to use less sugar, you may. If you want to use more sugar, you may. You can taste it as you go. With your mixer on medium high, we're going to whip this for 1 minute. And the one thing I love about great homemade whipped cream, it has no preservatives, no additives, no artificial flavoring. It's 100% pure. This will take about 4 minutes. After a minute, it gets real frothy. See that? And really soupy. So I'm going to go ahead and beat this for an additional 1 minute. Now that an additional minute's up, we're at 2 minutes. You see it's beginning to make ribbons, and you see those soft peaks that are occurring here in our whipping cream. That's what we're looking for. That's the beginning of the stiff peaks. I'm going to go for an additional minute. Now we've got whipped cream. You want to make sure that you don't whip this too much because it'll turn to butter, which you can use too. This took me about 3 minutes. See those stiff peaks? That's what you're looking for. Now if you want to add a little vanilla extract in this, I'm going to clean off my beaters here, but if you want to add a little vanilla extract in this, or lemon extract, or maple, you may. I would add about 1/4 teaspoon. With a spatula, I'm just scraping down the sides of my bowl. This is ready for any dessert. Perfect for the top of your fresh fruit and berries, perfect for pound cakes, perfect for your ice cream, perfect whatever you want to use it for. Store this in an airtight container in the refrigerator up to 24 hours. And when you get it out of your refrigerator after 24 hours, use a whisk to make sure you get it all incorporated and ready to serve. And if you'd like to use a whisk to make your whipped cream, you may, instead of using a mixer. You want to know what it tastes like? Oh yeah, here goes. Perfect, creamy, the perfect amount of sugar. You are not gonna go wrong with this homemade whipped cream. Thanks a million for watching, you all. Give me thumbs up, leave me a comment, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos, and I'll catch you lovely people later.